Just 1 glass a day to burn abdominal fat, lose weight quickly, and lower blood glucose levels. Today I'm going to share with you a powerful secret for those who want to lose abdominal fat, for anyone looking to lose weight quickly, and for those who also want to naturally control their blood glucose levels. A glass of this mixture that I'm going to share with you today, it can transform your health and your appearance. So, do you have any idea what the main ingredient of our mixture today is? Write in the comments what your guess is. And also let me know where in the world you're watching me from. Guys, before I talk about this food that can indeed help you lose weight, I have to warn you that there are no miracles, okay? And besides, consuming this mixture that I'm going to tell you about, it's also essential that if you want to lose weight, be healthy, control your blood sugar, manage your blood pressure, cholesterol, and improve poor circulation, you need to have a healthy lifestyle. You need to eat well, exercise, sleep well, not drink, not smoke, and manage your stress. And I teach you all of this in my book, The Longevity Code. Here is the key for you to truly take care of your health and not just manage diseases, okay? The book is available for purchase, both in physical and digital versions. The link is in the video description and also in the pinned comments. I'll talk more about the book in just a moment. So what is the main ingredient here in our glass, in our mixture? Did you guess it right? Guys, apple cider vinegar. It's a simple, accessible, and extremely effective food if your goal is to lose weight, burn fat, and control blood sugar. And I'm going to teach you how to choose apple cider vinegar, how to prepare it. So go ahead and give it a like in this video. Go ahead and share this video with that friend you know who is struggling with their weight. Share it so you can all join in this weight loss challenge together. Okay, so first, why is apple cider vinegar so powerful? It is rich in a substance called acetic acid, which is the compound responsible for most of the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid will help burn abdominal fat. It helps break down the stored fats in the body. It will help you lose weight because it contributes to reducing appetite, making you eat less throughout the day. It will also help control glucose levels because apple cider vinegar stabilizes blood sugar after meals. This is essential for those who have diabetes or for anyone who wants to prevent this problem. In fact, the effect of apple cider vinegar is so powerful that it can reduce the glycemic index of foods. What is this, Dr. João? Simple. I'll explain it in a simple way. If you eat a bread, this bread is going to raise your glucose levels, okay? Your blood sugar. You eat a bread then. This bread is going to raise your blood sugar levels. If you take apple cider vinegar and eat the bread afterwards, you will have an increase in blood sugar, but it will be a smaller increase than if you had just eaten the bread. So, apple cider vinegar reduces the glycemic index of foods, and also it improves digestion because it stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier to absorb nutrients. How are we going to prepare this drink with apple cider vinegar? You will need a glass of water, 250 ml, 1 tablespoon of unfiltered organic apple cider vinegar, glass bottle. This is the ideal apple cider vinegar. In addition, if you want, optionally, you can add the juice of half a lemon, and that's it. If you don't have, or if you have controlled diabetes, you can also sweeten this drink with a teaspoon of honey, with a teaspoon of molasses, with stevia. Oh, but don't use refined sugar. Okay. Don't use white sugar, crystal sugar. Okay. Now, if you add honey, if you add molasses, if you add those, it will end up having some calories. This drink here without the honey, without the molasses, is calorie-free. Okay, and lemon has practically no calories in lemon juice. To prepare, you will take the glass and mix the vinegar with the water. If you want to add lemon juice, the sweetener, stevia. Sucralose is not good. Aspartame is not good. So you either use honey, molasses, or stevia. You will mix it and drink it immediately, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach to maximize the benefits. You can also consume it before meals, okay? To help with glucose control and also maximize fat burning. Important safety tips. Don't overdo it, okay? Just consume. At most, 2 tablespoons a day. Excess can irritate the stomach and can also harm the enamel of your teeth. You can use a straw to avoid damaging the enamel of your teeth. Or you should rinse your mouth after consumption. It's very important to choose the right apple cider vinegar. Organic, unfiltered, in a glass bottle, and consult your doctor. If you have any health conditions like ulcers, reflux, or if you have any kidney problems, talk to your doctor before starting a regular consumption of apple cider vinegar. What results can you expect? After a week, you'll notice reduced abdominal bloating, better digestion, and less appetite between meals. After a month, you will start to notice gradual weight loss, improved glucose levels, and you'll have more energy in your daily life. And after 3 months, there will be a significant reduction in abdominal fat, better weight control, better glucose control, and improved metabolic health. But it doesn't help to take apple cider vinegar and keep consuming ultra-processed foods. Keep stuffing yourself with fried foods, continuing to drink soda, still eating nuggets, McDonald's, smoking, drinking, eating hot dogs. It won't help, okay? Apple cider vinegar helps, yes, but it doesn't work miracles. It's important for you to have a healthy lifestyle. Doctor, I don't know what to eat. I don't know what to do. I'm lost. Read my book. Here is the complete guide to the lifestyle. Healthy. By reading this book, you will learn how to treat, prevent, and reverse diseases. You will learn how to prevent cancer, heart attacks, and strokes. You will learn how to treat and reverse diabetes, hypertension, poor circulation, and high cholesterol in a way that is 100% natural. No doctors, no tests, no medications. Click now, link in the description, link pinned in the comments. If you want to schedule an appointment with me, the link is also in the description and in the comments. Our dear apple cider vinegar is a powerful ally for those who want to lose weight, for those who want to lose abdominal fat, and control glucose. Follow the tips from our video and you'll get the best results. Don't forget to share this video, please, to help get this message to as many people as possible. Doctor, I don't want to share it in the WhatsApp group, like this video. That's enough for the YouTube algorithm to understand that the content is good. And then it does its job reaching more people. So in this way, you will help those who don't have access. The doctor, hospital, health plan, at least, should have access to quality information that indeed saves lives. And what rating do you give this video here? From 0 to 10? Tell me, I want to know your opinion. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell and don't go away. Stay with me and watch this video here where I talk about teas that help control your glucose. And this video here where I talk about fruits that are also good for diabetics. See you in a little bit.